Hey everyone, meet the ultimate drill wire stripper and twister kit designed to speed up your electrical projects. This complete tool set includes everything you need for rapid wire stripping and twisting across standard gauges. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with precision CNC machining, it delivers unmatched durability and accuracy on the job. The versatile hexagonal handle design works seamlessly with your power drill for effortless operation. Protect your fingers and boost your efficiency, whether you are tackling home wiring or professional tasks. Grab this essential electrician tool today and transform how you handle cable preparation. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.